we are going to show you how to get rich and to dive deep into various ways that you can help you achieve six-figure income, monthly high-paying niches. Now, welcome. Today, we are going to be exploring 5 incredible ways to get rich. In each of these methods can potentially fetch you a minimum of $5,000 per month. So whether you have a skill or you're simply starting from scratch. Now stay tuned as we dive deep into each method, providing you details, explanation, potential earnings, durations, pros, cons, and of course inspiring success stories. So don't forget to hit the subscribe buttons for more insight on personal finance and wealth building strategies. Hit the notification bell, of course. Stay updated to all our latest content that can help you master your financial journey. So first up for today, we have high ticket drop service. Now what's an high ticket drop service? This model is something that allows you to sell high value service to clients and of course outsource the work to skilled freelancer. Now let's take a look at the inspiring story of Alex Johnson, who turned his business model into a six-figure income. First, let's visit Upwork. Here on Upwork is an online marketplace where a freelancer meets the person who is interested in their services. So Alex comes to Upwork, look for freelancers in a different category. For example, let's find talents. Now let's find talents in different categories. So let's say Alex is interested in someone who has the skill of a digital marketing or simply looking for a creative like someone who is a graphic designer. Let's search for graphic designer. Graphics designer. Now we let Upwork does its magic. Now Alex looks for graphic designer who are good, who are professional, and who are the best in their categories. We've got experienced graphic designer like Danish S. And we've got Alima, who's also a graphic designer and has got 99% job rate and has earned over $70,000 in dollars. And of course, we've got this specialist, graphic designer, banner ads, and UI UX design specialist. So what Alex does is look for a partner in one of these best, top, and professional freelancers, and Alex comes back and look for clients who are interested in that particular services. So potential earning for Alex starts from around 5,000 USD to 20,000 USD per month. Now the story of Alex Johnson started with just $200 and a laptop. Initially, he struggled to find clients and reliable freelancers. He researched high-demand services and decided to focus on high-end web development and SEO services. And after setting up his professional website, optimizing it for lead generation, he began marketing through LinkedIn and freelance platform. So it took only Alex about a few months to land his first major client, but once he did, his business started to snowball by efficiently managing projects and of course building a network of dependable freelancers. Alex scaled his business to over $15,000 per month. Now, how do you get started with the high-paying jobs? Now, first is finding talent. Now, we'll come to Upwork and find talent. You don't have to be Alex. You could look for your designers. You could look for an AI designer. You could look for an admin. You could look for a sales and marketing professionals. Now, let's start with the development and IT sections on Upwork. Here you simply have developers. You have JavaScript developers. We have PHP developer. We have iOS developer, and we've got this data scientists, and we've got infrastructure engineers, we've got SQL developers, and of course we've got the generative AI professionals. Now every one of these people, all you just have to do is to come and look for a professional who is good in his field, who has earned a lot of money, and of course who is always available to give you the best and quality of content. Now let's look at this over the PHP developers. We've got people over 25 jobs, over 30 jobs, over 154 jobs. Now this is a better option for our service. We're going to take a look at Alex Ish because he's got over 150 jobs, and of course he still maintained his 4.9 rating. That's cool for a freelancer. And of course all you have to do is to create an account, join as a client or join as a freelancer. Of course we are a client, so we're going to be joining as a client and we're going to move on. That's simply how it is. Now we have a different website for this service also, which is fiverr.com. fiverr.com. Now when you come to Fiverr, what are you going to see? You're going to see something similar to Upwork. As you can see, it says find the right freelancer service right away. Now all you have to do on Fiverr is to type in a service you're looking for a freelancer on, or simply come down and take a look at the categories. We've got the programming and tech categories, we've got the graphic design categories, we've got the digital marketing categories, we've got the writing and translation categories, and of course we've got the video and animation categories, we've got the AI service categories, we've got the music and audio categories, we've got the business categories, and of course we've got the consulting categories. However, they've got the 6 popular categories, which is the website development, logo design, SEO, architecture and interior design, social media marketing, and of course voice over. All of this you could get a professional who's going to get this job done for you, and all you have to do is to go over and create a simple stage website and get clients and come over here and give the job to a freelancer and make as much as $5,000 to $20,000 every month. Now, how do you get started? You choose an high paying ticket service, which is definitely going to identify a high demand service like web development, like SEO or digital marketing. And step 2, all you have to do is to find the reliable freelancers. You're going to use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, like I just showed you guys, to find the skilled freelancers. And of course, step 3, you have to set up your website and create a professional website showcasing your services and client testimonials. Step 4, all you have to do next is to market your service. Utilize SEO, social media, paid ads to attract clients. Step 5, you manage projects efficiently. Communicate clearly with your clients and freelancers using project management tools. Now,